Wait lang, Liam. Get na tayo.
Jersey, and I'm going to do our workshop for 5 days, alright? So today po is kasama ng mga which is na workshop po tayo. Meron silang, una po gumagawa sila ng arts, gagawa din sila ng cheeseburger, ng friendship, syempre mag-build po sila ng friendship, and of course, na-develop nila yung values na meron sila, and also yung meron tayong discipline, responsibility, teamwork, diligence, and hard work. So first day natin, matututunan nila yung discipline, second, responsibility, teamwork, and lastly, diligence and hard work. Of course, let's watch po na yung video ng ating kinig workshop. Or may mga mantika po doon, or kaya may mga chances na baka matalsikan sila. Or so parang safe lang din po is nakapass po tayong lahat. And parang hindi rin day is responsibility. Then kung yung first day nila nasa beverage area sila, yung second day nila nasa presenters area, yung third day naman po nila nasa lobby area. Since wala kaming drive-thru, ang station po nila ulit ay mauulit po sa lobby, or kaya sa may presenters area lang din po. So yung mga kanila ng value of the day is hard work and diligence. We should know, burger with Minute Maid or apple juice. And then your favorite animal, that is good. Everyone, can you go first? Anong name mo? Nana, Nana. Alright, kitty. Follow na naman si Ate Jersey.
Bye-bye.
Follow Ate Jersey. That's a cat.
Bye-bye.
Say hi. Hi. What? And one time. And ikot. Then follow. Turok. 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 And 1, 2, 3, 4, and in. Alright, pag-alang natin. Alright, first step, Ate Jersey. Jump in place. 1, 2, 3. And then salute. Okay, ready? Kinig crew campers. Okay, ulit po. 1, 2, 3. Kinig crew campers. Salute. Natin ay responsibility. And then, ano station natin for today? Lobby area. Very good, Ate Samantha. Okay. Next up, step 4, ketchup galore. Yung ketchup naman after ng mustard.
Ayaw niya ng mustard.
Yung mascor na
Ako ba Ayan.
Okay na, kids? Next up, step 5, do the pickle vibe. Yung pickle naman. And then next up, get your cheese and cheese fix. Yung cheese naman para sa ating cheeseburger. Okay na, kids? Next up, I'm in patty heaven. Yung patty naman ilalagay natin sa ating cheeseburger. Patty heaven. Para sa ating step 8, the bottom bun is great. So last ingredient natin is yung bottom bun.
Tapos na sa akin, ako din.
Ayan, okay na po ba? Last step, i-rank na po natin ang bun. Side po. Ayan, side po siya. Then kapag makakita po, ganito po magiging itsura niya. Ay, ano po, balik po na yung bun. Kailangan po yung front niya, nakabalik ganito po. Upside down po yung bun. Then hold right side. And then, ganito po magiging itsura niya. Tapos, inutukin po siya ang magaling. Pailalim po. Ayan, so ganito po magiging itsura niya. Very good! Tapos tayo pa ating baho.
Brothers. Figures.
Lagyan natin na. Puno.
Okay, can you repeat after Ate Liza? Thank you po for letting me be a part of Taguig Blue Workshop 2025. I have learned new skills and values, made new friends, and had fun. Ayan, so congratulations Taguig Blue Campers. Bigyan nyo naman ng sa malaking hug and kiss si Mami and Daddy. Ayan, so picture po tayo kay Mami and Daddy. In the lake. In. Ayan, very good. Okay, out the lake. Out. Ayan. Ayan, so dahil dyan, practice po muna tayo. Yung pinakahuli po. Ayan. Out the lake. Out. Okay. Be attentive, kids. Okay, in the lake. Out the lake. Out the lake. Okay, wala na po si Ate Zoe. Tanggal na po siya. Turn around. Ayan, very good. Hindi po, pag sinabi pong say your name, babanggitin niyo po yung pangalan niyo. Okay po. Okay, ready? I say your name. A proud member. Ayan, excited na po ba? Yes, okay. Okay, na po tayo.
Watch mo na sila, yun yung sayo
Once again,